If you're from Akron, then this building doesn't need much explanation, but it could be in its final days unless a qualified developer steps in to save it. I'm Remy Murray to explain.
It's a piece of history, so why tear it down?
Some may look at the former Firestone Tire and Rubber Company Plant 1 building and see its busted windows and overgrown weeds as an eyesore. Meanwhile, Keith Burnett says he still sees its potential despite the building's crumbling structure.
I would keep it.
Cal Julian, Akron's director of planning, says it's possible the historic building with its 8-story clock tower could be saved under one condition.
We have proposed a moratorium that allows us to explore some other options perhaps, see if there's, some way that we could position it for redevelopment. But absent that, then at the end of the 60 days, we'll either have a plan to repurpose the building or we'll be able to proceed with the demolition.
In a statement we received from Councilman Donnie Kamer, he said, quote, "We felt the best decision was to get the administration to agree to extend the deadline to find a developer." And he said he is hopeful, quote, "the city administration works alongside with the developer and possible project." Now only time will tell after Kamer encouraged the planning department to come back to city council within 30 to 35 days with an update. Meantime, some preservation and historic groups we first introduced you to nearly 2 weeks ago told us they're determined to save the building, which was built in 1910 and has been vacant for about 10 years.
Akron's all about the rubber industry. It's a compass point in people's lives.
In August, the Akron Urban Design and Historic Preservation Commission rejected a proposal by the city to tear down the building. The city appealed, leading to a special hearing on September 11th, where Akron leaders stressed it would need $5 million to preserve a portion of the building rather than tear the whole thing down. Talks to just save the clock tower were proposed, but the city said that was too expensive, so supporters are hopeful someone will step in.
I think the people could gather up in 60 days and make a statement.
The city will allow 60 days for a qualified developer to come forward. For News 5, I'm Remy Murray reporting.